It's not that bad. Ah. Oh. Oh. For the record, I've always hated canned spaghetti. I've hated it my whole life. That's not bad with the deviled ham. I'm just saying. It looked awful. That tastes pretty good with the deviled ham. Try another bite. I can't believe it. It looks better than it did in the pan. Here we go. I had to buy 12 cans because I cannot find canned spaghetti anywhere. I think it does taste better with deviled ham in the sauce. I really enjoyed the sandwich. The lettuce gave it a texture. It's a little gritty with the ham, but it does give this crappy sauce more flavor. So I have to give it a thumbs up. I was really worried about this one. It looked awful. I can eat this. Thanks for joining me this Saturday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say?